All right, welcome to Functional Core Fitness. My name is Omar, and today what we're going to focus on is your dead bug exercise. Another core exercise focusing on number one, the activation of the core and the preventing of spinal movement or breaking the form of your spine or spinal position. All right, so you can use anything you'd like. You can use a yoga block or you can use a stability ball. I'm going to use a stability ball. I'm going to position myself in a supine position, which just means I'm lying on my back. Now, first things first, I need to make sure that my lower back does not disengage, or I should say my abdominals do not disengage. If I disengage and I lengthen my legs, there will be a tendency of arching the lower back if I do not engage my stomach. Now, if I engage my stomach, you can see that my lower back flattened and my leg actually lifted off the ground just a little bit, because of here, it's hanging on my hip. Here, I'm engaged, so my leg is now straight. All right, so first things first, we have to engage our abdominals, right? Pelvic floor squeeze, and then we zip up your imaginary jacket so that your ribs engage or compress. Now, as I maintain the core activation, I'm going to lift my knees up. I'm going to place my hands on the ball. Now, I will apply a little bit of a pinch between my knees and my hands. Now, as I maintain that pinch, you'll see the ball squish a little bit. The harder that I push or the harder I squeeze, the more engagement I'm going to feel. So the squeeze is up to you. Now, as I keep my arms straight and my legs up, I'm going to apply that little pinch. Now my stomach is engaged. I want to make sure that the ball is high enough so that my back is flat onto the floor. If I have it too low, my lower back is going to arch, and that's not going to be good for the exercise. So I make sure that I bring my legs up nice and high. I create that pinch. My back is flat. I'm going to release my right hand and my left leg off the ball. Now, as I lengthen my arms away or my limbs away from the ball, I want to make sure that I maintain my abdominal engagement, which then will make sure that my lower back does not arch as I perform my movement. Now, ideally, I'd like to inhale as I'm in my starting position, and as I disconnect, this is a dead bug exercise. This dead bug exercise is the complete opposite of your bird dog exercises. The dead bug is facing up, focusing on the anterior portion of the body. The bird dog facing down focuses on the posterior portion of your body. So we're focusing on the core. It's great to do both exercises. Good luck, and we'll see you on the next video.